If the earth could speak, what would it say about how we treat it today? Good day, everyone. I am Vicente Rojas, and today we will be discussing about environmental ethics and stewardship of nature. To begin with, when we say environmental ethics, it is the study of how humans should interact with and care for the environment responsibly. So this means that the environmental ethics teaches us, people or human beings, the importance of respecting nature and protecting the environment. It focuses on the moral responsibility of humans to use natural resources wisely and avoid actions that can harm the earth, animals, plants, and future generations. This means that as humans, we hold so much responsibility with our so-called Mother Earth because we do believe that everything is not permanent. So it is just borrowed from our Creator above. For instance, these are the common ways that we thought it doesn't contribute something in our society, in our environment, or our Mother Earth. But little did we know that small acts of help can create a change in our society. First is the practicing proper waste disposal and conserving water. So this means that through proper waste disposal, it helps reduce the pollution. While conserving water, it prevents the unnecessary waste of natural resources. We can also be involved in community engagement such as Siembra Mangle that happens in any youth organization such as in school or even outside the school. In our community, we can be involved in such activities to help contribute so much because the more we get involved, the more we can create and combat these pollutions or this climate change. We now move to the stewardship of nature. This means that human beings are responsible for caring for and protecting the environment. This teaches us that people are caretakers of our earth because humans should use natural resources wisely and avoid actions that can damage nature. It encourages responsibility in protecting plants, animals, water, and other environmental resources for future generations. Because what we do now may affect the future generations. So it's a matter of responsibility, consequences, and our actions. Because everything we do, of course, we know that there is and there will always be the consequences. Not now, but in the future. For instance, planting trees and properly disposing of waste. This is what I'm talking about. Planting trees. Because to know our responsibilities is to engage and to be involved in community engagements, such as the planting trees activities and such mangrove, that it can really help and contribute something meaningfully in our society. Planting trees helps improve air quality and prevent environmental problems such as the flooding, soil erosion. Proper waste disposal helps reduce pollution and keeps the surroundings clean and even more healthy and even more greener. So the question today is not whether we can live without nature, but rather whether nature can continue to live with the way we treat it. Once again, environmental ethics continuously reminds us that our choices today shape the world of tomorrow. Stewardship of nature calls us to act as caretakers, ensuring that plants, animals, water, and land remain protected for generations yet to come. This is Vicente Rojas from BSED English to A.
Good day, teaching everyone. My name is Jaylene D. Apolinario, and today we will talk about the sustainable development. Sustainable development means meeting present needs without harming the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Next, sustainable development promotes balance between economic growth, environmental protection, and social well-being. It encourages people to use resources responsibly and support practices that protect the environment while still allowing development and progress. Example, using renewable energy such as the solar or wind power. Renewable energy sources produce less pollution and can be continuously used without quickly depleting natural resources, making them safer for the environment and the future generations. To sum it up, environmental ethics promote responsible care and protection of the environment. Finally, stewardship of nature and sustainable development both emphasize the importance of protecting the earth through responsible action and sustainable practices. By caring for the environment and using resources wisely, people can help create a cleaner, healthier, and safer world for present and future generations. Example, participating in environmental programs such as recycling, campaigns, and cleanup drives. These activities help reduce pollution, spread environmental awareness, and encourage communities to work together in protecting the nature. So that would be all for our discussion, and I hope you have learned something from this. Thank you!